All success is created by connection.
Giving back is the biggest thing.
Commitment, teamwork. Don't be afraid to raise your hand and say, hey, I'm here. How can I help? I want to get involved. Do not be afraid to ask for help. You're a graduate student. Everybody is always a learner, and learning is ongoing, lifelong, perpetual. Being a part of the alumni offers you the resources and the roots to always come home. It really was my first home when I came to Canada as an international student, and I just love the environment of camaraderie, even after graduation, just being able to stay in touch with my peers, with my professors, and the community that the alumni office brings together is very valuable for me. Community philanthropy is done through bringing your lived experiences and your knowledges back into your roots. And if we can encourage graduates to bring their lived experience through the Alumni Association, we have growth in our community. And our community is only as strong as the teams that support and build it.
The thing that really motivates me to continue my involvement with SLC is that I can give back. So right now I'm a coordinator for automotive technology, the same place 18 years ago where I went to get educated, the same everything pretty much. Well, newer technology has come in too, and I'm giving back now.
Connection. Connection is key for everything.
Graduating students, stay in touch. Take advantage of those opportunities. Look up your fellow classmates, stay in touch professionally, go on the digital platforms, always stay connected, and honestly, don't be afraid to toot your own horn and be your own publicist and talk about the work that you're doing.
Enjoy, explore. New beginnings are bends in the road. They can be roadblocks or opportunities, and when you have a supportive network behind you, like your alumni, look at them as a framework for opportunity and growth.
Go get it. That's what I would say.
Hello, folks, and welcome to the SLC Alumni. On behalf of the faculty, staff, and alumni at St. Lawrence College, congratulations on your successful convocation. We are all extremely proud of you. Today, I would like to wish you heartfelt congratulations on your graduation, an incredible milestone. For some of you, that might mean jumping straight into the career of your dreams. For others, you will embark upon the next phase of your educational journey. No matter what comes next, know that the knowledge and skills you have acquired through your SLC program will set you up for success. As the newest members of the SLC Alumni, you are now connected to over 125,000 graduates located all around the world and who live and work in more than 76 countries. Wherever your future takes you, you're sure to encounter fellow SLC grads who are doing remarkable work and making significant contributions to the communities in which they live. As your student experience ends, I hope you are proud of how you spent your time here and that you will continue to stay connected to SLC. As a college graduate myself, I want you to know that there are many ways you can stay connected and give back to the college community. Did you know that many of our amazing faculty and staff are SLC grads themselves? We hope to see you back here, maybe as a guest speaker in a former class, sharing your hands-on experience with a new cohort of students, or attending an SLC Surge sporting event or open house. In other words, know that you will always be part of the SLC family. In closing, I want to say how very proud we are of you, and I hope that you will always be proud to be SLC. Congratulations, graduates.